Hi, first grade. All right, so we have our phonics page. This is our OO sound, okay? OO, double O, letters O and U can make the middle sound you hear in book. Okay, this is page 141, your phonics pages. All right, remember you can pause this video at any time, just in case I'm going too fast. All right. Circle the word in each row that has the same middle sound you hear in took. Notice what we see here, took. You see that double O, right? Write the word, okay? So look at the first, number 1. It says hook, rope, nut. Which word has the same middle sound as took? If you said hook, you were correct. Circle the word hook and write it on the line. Make sure you're keeping your letters in the house, in the attic, or in the basement. We don't have any basement one right here. All right, number 2. You have shake. Well, that sounds like a long A because look, magic E. Shake. Shook. Ooh, that sounds good. Stop. Which one has the same middle sound as took? I think you're right. Shook. Shook. So we're going to write shook. That's my favorite digraph right there. A little squiggle right there. S-H makes the sh sound. And then the k. Shook. Very good. Take your time and do your handwriting the best you can. I want to make sure you're turning this in to your teacher, to me or Miss Mays, Miss Pasquini, and Miss Guy. That's funny. That was the bell. So, anyway, all right, number 3. Fun. Flop. Full. Ooh. This one's hard because what? We don't have a double O to pick from. But didn't we say our letters double O and U can make that sound? So fun, that just sounds like a regular U, short U. Flop. That's the O sound. Full up. That's what it is right there. Full. Make sure your L's and your F's are going straight to the top. Okay, number 4. Foot, tune, fudge. Yep. Foot. Foot, 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 There you go. All right, last one. Rush. Patch. Push. Book. Yep. That's it right there. Write the word in your nicest handwriting. Okay, if you tried your hardest on this page when you're done, I want you to put a smiley face right here at the top. All right? Great job, first grade.